How to change CoinMarketCap app language. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change CoinMarketCap app language easy and fast. So first thing guys, all what you have to do is go to the app. This is the home page. As you can see, my language now it's English, as you can see. And if you want to change it, all what I have to do is go down and click on this settings option. Now after you go to this page, all what you have to click on is this language option right here. After you click on language, now you will be able to choose the language that you want. There is many options. There is Spanish, French, Filipino, Netherlands, and many more. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end.